Hello students, so in that video we have to see how to create. Suppose if I selected one column, footing or one beam, and I want to create more views of that, like such as a section, elevation, east section, west section, or any kind of like material schedules. That kind of information I want to make in just a one command or in just a one ribbon panel tool. So how I can make, let's see. Suppose I want to made a section of that areas, like that column and that footing. I want to make a section or any kind of extra views of that material in just a one click. So I selected this one. Here you can see one temporary hide or isolate pan tool. Just it is shown by specs. Select this one and isolate that element. Suppose I isolate this one. Okay, I isolate that element. Now I want to create an assembly of it. In a modify panel you can see in create panel there is one command as a create assembly. Suppose I selected this one and I want to give a name to it. By default it was a structural column, and now I'm also giving this name and just OK. So here you can see one option is available as a create views. If I selected this one, here you can see plan, 3D ortho, section, elevation left, right, material takeoff, schedules. That are the that are the points available. That kind of information we get from here. If we add a rebar in it, you can also select the rebar schedule. Now I am not adding any rebar, hence I am not selecting this one, and just select the scale you want. Suppose it is now 1:20. I put as a 1:50 or 1:100 and just OK. So in a project browser, here you can see one option as a create assembly. Assembly. In assembly our name was available just as a structural column. You can see here. Now I am selecting on it. You can see the different types of elevation section and the details views are available. Now I want to create a sheet of that all the elements. I go for the sheet. I will explain this in briefly in our sheet and exporting section. Now I am just showing you how to create. Just go to here and add a sheet. Now I am adding a sheet. New sheet, A1 metric sheet, and just OK. So here you can see there is one sheet available. From here you can changes the details as per your requirement. Suppose a project name was structural column or a structural footing, just like that. And now you can drag this different views from here and just place on it. Suppose you can see now I am giving a 1:100 scale, hence it is like that. This is a 3D ortho view. This is a section. Sorry. This is a detailed section of it. That are the elevations. And the names are also available here. You can see the names are also available. You can see different types of elevations are available. Suppose I'm looking at from the bottom, it looks like this. I'm looking from the back, it looks like this. If I cut the column, it will look like this. Or that is the material takeoff, like which type of material is used. So here you can see cast in situ material was used, and there volumes are given, or schedule part list. I'm not wait. Like structural foundation, what is the family type and what is the uh, sizes of it, structural column, structural rebar, that kind of information is available here. Just like that, you can create a sheet of any element you want, and now here, from here, you can change the name. Suppose I will show you how to change it. Suppose I want to give a structural footing or column as the name of that sheet. Here you can see the name is given. Just like that, you can create a sheet and export it.